What's up guys? So I'm about to head out. I'm just packing up the car. I already have some of the stuff loaded in already. I have another suitcase there on the back seat. It's a snowy one today, so thankfully where I'm going is going to be tropical in the next couple of days. But remember to drop a like on the content, and I'm just gearing up, getting ready to make my first travel. I'm gonna have a stay over and then we fly out to Jamaica on the 20th. So we're just heading out to the hotel and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna head on out now, finish packing up the car. It's a snowy one today. Zion's going to doggy daycare. It's in the back, so he's gonna be at the doggy daycare for 7 days. So we're just grabbing him some dog food and then we're gonna head off. So Zion's getting dropped off at doggy daycare. We'll be here for 1 week. I'm gonna go drop off some food for him too. So me and Sydney are heading to the airport right now. Her parents are already way ahead of us. They left out early, so we're just behind now. We're gonna get our first flight into Toronto, and then we have one layover till Wednesday, and that's when we fly out to Jamaica. About to land in Toronto. We're about 5 minutes out from landing. This is my first time on a flight in years. It's not too bad this time. I just want to give an update. Our flight from Timmins to Toronto got delayed. It was at 10 o'clock today, but it got delayed till 10:30. So we got into Toronto, and now our luggage, 5 of the luggage, are still not here. So we're still here waiting. Not too impressed right now, but have to wait till we get our luggage, and then we're gonna head to the hotel.
This is Sheldon at the Bahia, Principe.
Still dressing like I'm in Canada, waiting for my stuff to come.
Our first flight, we had to take 2 flights and they left our luggage on our first flight back.
But you know what? I'm still enjoying the trip. So we finally made it to the resort. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's the Grand Bahia Principe. So we're just gonna get ready to head out. We'll walk around for a little bit. But just remember, if you enjoy the content, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe. This is the view from my mom's room. It's a nice little view.